Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can export a slide or a card of your presentation only on Gamma AI, not the entire presentation but only one specific slide or card of your presentation. So let us guide you through it. So navigate to Gamma AI, log into your account, click into Gammas to the left and select one of these presentations inside your account. After that, what you want to do guys is navigate to the given slide here to the left. We go with slide number 6. And then guys, there are two ways how you can export here on Gamma AI. As previously mentioned, you can do that for the entire presentation by clicking into Share Here and select Export and then choose the output file format like PNG or PDF or PowerPoint. But that would export the entire presentation. If you want to export only one slide, simply hover your mouse over the bottom left corner of the slide. And here guys, you will see these three dots. Click to open menu to quote it. So click into it. And I'm just going to open up that menu. So here you can, for example, copy invitation link to that specific slide here. Or you can, for example, export the card specifically. So you go with one of these options. Let me, for example, copy that invitation link to the clipboard. And now you can invite someone directly to that slide here. You can also export the card and use the same method basically. Select your output file format like PDF or PNG. And that's it. That's how it works guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.